Welcome, future miners. Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency mining in 2024? If you're looking for a comprehensive guide that's as electrifying as the blockchain itself, you've struck digital gold. Crypto mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain network. By using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, miners are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrency. It's a competitive and energy-intensive process, but it's also the backbone of blockchain security. From the early days of simple CPU mining to today's specialized ASICs and eco-friendly solar-powered rigs, mining has transformed dramatically. In 2024, the focus is on sustainable practices and maximizing efficiency without compromising the environment. This can partially be achieved by applying the correct overclocks across your entire farm, ensuring that only the power that is necessary is being drawn. More on this later. With hundreds of cryptocurrencies available, it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your goals and resources. Factors like block reward, network difficulty, and coin value play a significant role in determining profitability. The latest mining rigs are marvels of technology, offering unprecedented hash rates while minimizing power consumption. Whether you opt for an ASIC GPU or FPGA setup, the key is to balance cost with performance. Setting up a mining rig requires careful planning. From assembling the hardware to installing the software, every step is vital. It is also essential to properly overclock your hardware for optimal mining results and increased power efficiency. We will have another video later on what software you can use to overclock your mining hardware. If you're finding value in this guide and would like to support the channel, kindly check out the link in the description to my Buy Me a Coffee page. Your support fuels our journey into the crypto universe and helps keep this content coming. Thank you for being an amazing part of our community. Mining pools combine the computational power of multiple miners, increasing the chances of earning rewards. Solo mining, while potentially more profitable per block, carries the risk of going long periods without a reward. Depending on your total amount of hardware, it may be more profitable to mine in a pool versus solo mining. Optimization involves fine-tuning your system for maximum efficiency. This includes adjusting power settings, updating firmware, and monitoring your system's health to prevent downtime. Choosing the right mining software is as important as the hardware. One of the most popular and easy-to-use mining softwares available is called NiceHash. You can visit their website linked in the description to learn more. The legal aspects of crypto mining vary by region. While there are many tax rules and regulations you must follow while mining cryptocurrency in the United States, other countries may have different rules and laws. Please follow all listed laws and regulations for dealing with crypto in your specific area. These can typically be found online. While mining can be profitable, it's not without risks. Market volatility, rising energy costs, and hardware failures can all impact your bottom line. We'll teach you how to navigate these challenges and build a resilient mining operation. You're now equipped with the knowledge to start mining like a pro. But the learning doesn't stop here. Keep watching for more in-depth guides and insider tips. Smash that like button if you're ready to start your mining adventure, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates in the crypto universe. Until next time, keep mining and keep earning.